Hi, my name is Miss Emma, and today we're learning about compare fractions in code. And I already talked about this in a previous video, so I will put this in the link in the description down below. So let's do this and I talked about packages in the previous video, so I'll put that also in the link down below. From import, no, not from import, it's from fraction. And import, there, now we need import, but fraction, now we need fraction, fraction 1 equals fraction. And let's put in 1, 4. So it's 1 over 4. Fraction 2 equals fraction 2. Or not fraction 2. Wait, it's just normal fraction, not fraction 2. I meant to put fraction. This one. And let's put 2 over 3. And now, to see if they're exactly the same or different, we need to just say if fraction 1 is greater than fraction 2, and then we need the colon, print, and make sure the tab thing right here, and I'm using Replit, just saying, and then print fraction 1, and then comma, is greater than comma, then put the fraction here, 2. Now that that's done, we put elif, which is basically, I like to say you combined else and if together, and that gave us elif. And yes, there is an else in this video as well. So now we want fraction 1 equals, and make sure you put double equals or it's not gonna work. This print fraction 1 is, and then comma, actually not is, but comma, is equal, not that, equal to fraction 2. And now, wait, I forgot about something. I forgot about this, whatever it's called. What is it called again? Quotes, right. And make sure you do put quote, or it's probably not going to work. Actually, it's not going to work. Why am I saying probably? And then we want else, and that's it. Don't put anything else except for else. And then put the next line. Then you want to print it and say fraction 1, comma, quotes, and say is less than, no, that's not how you spell then fraction 2. And now that that's done, let's run it to see if there's any mistakes. It should say there's a mistake. And there we go. We got 1 over 4 is less than 2 over 3. Okay, so next one, let's keep that the same, the whatever this is called, 2/3. And let's switch that to 4 and 6. 4/6. And now it says 2/3 is equal to 2/3. The reason why it says 2/3 is because we're trying to find the least, like, answer. I don't really know how to say it, but the least, whatever you call this. Fraction, right? Least fraction. And now let's do our other one. So it's 4/7. Let's change this to 7. And let's do 2. Wait, I should have kept the 2. And now 7. Let's run it. And this one is actually bigger. So let's wait for it to load. 4/7 is greater than 2/7. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching my video. If you want more content like this, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!